Friends, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Thanks for coming back. If this is your first time, my name is Ade doing, and I make videos around health, lifestyle and relationships. Thanks for coming. Hit the subscribe button down below while you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 feminine hygiene tips I think every lady should know. Every young female, every young lady, just every lady should know. So if you'd like to hear more, keep watching. You'll be hearing birds making a lot of noise. Please kindly ignore. I live in a village, so you understand. So the first thing is that the vagina is self-cleansing. I know you've heard different people tell you different things. Oh, you need to insert this, or you need to use feminine products, feminine wash or whatever it is, but I want to promise you that the vagina is self-cleansing. Now, the vulva and the vagina are two different things. So the vulva is the outer part, which might need soap and water to be clean, or which would need soap and water to be clean, but the vagina is the inside. Do you understand? So where the menstrual blood comes out from, where the child comes out from. Now that part of your body doesn't need anything like inserted to cleanse it. Do you understand? So the vagina is self-cleansing. By inserting things into it, you are distorting the pH, because the vagina has a pH which is optimum for it and for the good bacteria there to function and like do their work effectively. So by putting things that alter that pH, you kill the good bacteria. You can now introduce harmful bacteria and can cause infections. So yeah. The second thing is your vagina does not like moisture. Your vagina does not like moisture. So it's important to keep it dry. That's why it's advisable to wear cotton panties. If you have to pee or you have to use the toilet, always like wipe it dry after. Do you understand? Some people choose to like sleep at night without panties just so they can allow air in and all that. So it's very important for you to know that your vagina does not like moisture. Keep it dry. Moisture is an easy way for bacteria and all sort of fungal infections to grow, so keep it dry. Now, number 3 thing is to practice safe sex. Now, I cannot emphasize this enough. If you're a female or a young female, practice safe sex. Now, the general rule is abstinence, which I preach anyways, abstinence. But if you know you cannot abstain, please practice safe sex. And that involves using a condom. Most importantly, involves knowing your health. You know the state of your health, so it means you have to have tested for STIs. You should know your HIV status. You should do other infections that are transmissible via intercourse. You should have tested for them, so you can protect your partner and also like monitor your health. Do you understand what I'm saying? So please practice safe sex. Abstain if you can't abstain. Stick to one partner and or use a condom. Thank you very much. My 4th tip is during your menstrual period, you have to change your pad at least twice a day. Now I say twice a day for those who have very little or very light flow. But if you have heavy flow, you need to be changing at least 4 to 6 times in a day. Do you understand? Anything less than twice a day is not hygienic. You shouldn't have to stay that long with your sanitary pad. Do you understand? So change your pad twice a day if you have light flow. If you have heavy flow, 4 to 6 times a day. And the last thing is, I expect a lot of females to know this, but it's possible that not a lot of females do. So this is about wiping. So when you wipe yourself, maybe after doing the number 1 or doing the number 2, the ideal way is to wipe front to back, not back to front. Now front to back because your vagina is sort of like at the front. So if you're wiping back to front, especially after doing the number 2, you risk like transferring stuff, physical matter from your feces, from your anus towards your vagina. Do you understand? And that waste from your vagina, waste from your anus contains like all sort of waste product that shouldn't be in your vagina anyways. So wipe front to back. That way you're cleaning from the front to the back and disposing whatever you're using. And a bonus tip I'd like to share is you should know your cycle as a female. This is not even a bonus tip. This should be like number 1. Whether you're sexually active or not, you should know your cycle. There are several apps out there that we can use, like so many. Like just go on your Play Store or your App Store, whatever you use, and search for it. You find several apps you can use. So what you have to do is enter the day you start your period, and it keeps track of your cycle. You're able to tell on the long run if your cycle, if your period is regular, your period is not. um I mean, all these things are important. If for any reason as a female you need to see a gynecologist, which is the doctors that caters to women, or even a general doctor, most times the first information they will ask from a female of a childbearing age is when was your last menstrual period. So this is very important, so you don't look ignorant when you're at the doctors. So if you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, how far now that offends you, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and yeah, share this video with friends. I think this video is informative. Share with friends, and yeah, I'd love to read your comments, your questions. I'd love to take questions, your suggestions and all that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Kisses.